Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Leilani Love, and I just want to thank you guys so much for coming here today. Make sure you guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel just so you can see this video and all the other videos that I do, hair, makeup, beauty, all things in those categories. But today we're gonna get right into it. We're doing a blue smoky eye, as you can see. So a blue smoky eye, it can be your rendition of it if you want to add a little inner highlights, inner corner highlight. If you don't, if you want to put orange behind it, if you want to put whatever color behind it, it's all your rendition. But this is just a little tips and tools to make your smoky eye easier. Let's get into it. So I like to start off after I've cleaned my face and moisturized. I like to start off with my facial roller. This is a facial roller that's been in the freezer, so it is like freezing cold. It feels so good, like, because you know how you wake up and you're puffy. This is going to help reduce puffiness. It's going to help with your bags under your eyes. As you can see, I'm going in. But yeah, this is definitely a good way to start and get your face nice and plump and juicy before you put on your makeup. Okay, I love to start with a under eye cream, especially since we're doing a heavy eye makeup look. You just want to make sure the area around your eyes looks nice and juicy and plump. So I'm using this Cheer Up under eye cream from Pharmacy. I just tap it in and pat it in a little bit until it's fully gone and get rid of those bags. And now I'm going to be going in with my facial mist from Mario Badescu. This is aloe, lavender, and chamomile. It's so refreshing and just a good way to wake up and just relax the skin and make everything even more plump and juicy. Plump and juicy is the key, guys. The better your skin looks, the better your makeup is going to look when you put it on. Okay, now into the brows. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil. It's like a really fine tip. I love this pencil because it's like it gives you a natural, like little natural hair strokes. This is like, I definitely recommend this for anybody that doesn't know how to do brows, or even if you do, like, this is just the best kind of pencil. All right, so now before we get to our eyes, I have to set underneath my eyes with setting powder, just so if I get any fallout from the dark colors, because we're going to be using blacks and blues, you just want to make sure you got something down there so it doesn't, because we already did our skin. We already put on our moisturizer and everything. If we try to go wipe that off, our skin texture is going to be uneven and it's just going to be a mess. So if you're doing a dark eye, you always kind of want to put some powder down first. This is just my technique. This is what saves me. Trust me, I've done it without doing this, and once that pigment gets on the skin, and even if you try to wipe it off, like your makeup is not consistent underneath your eyes. So just some tea for y'all. So now we're gonna go in with the James Charles palette. These are the colors I'm gonna be using, like some rusty orange, the dark blues, and the shimmery blue. So I'm just gonna be using this orange and this rusty orange like as my base color. So for smoky eyes, I love to put a vivid or a nice color behind my dark color just to give it some contrast and give your eyes some shape. You can use any color if you want to use pink, purple, whatever, green. I'm using orange because I have on blue hair and I'm doing blue. So, blue and orange are going to complement each other and just give it a nice warm contrast. If you want your colors to be more vivid and like more orangey, more bright, you might want to do a eyeshadow base first or put concealer first. That's optional. I don't choose to do it because I don't want my look to be that intense. I want it to be something soft, kind of muted, because I am going outside. It's daytime. But if you want to do eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer, you could have did that before I laid the orange. So now I'm going to go in with a soft coal liner. This is a bluish gray by Mr. Eyeliner. It's very soft. I'm going to use that on my lash line, above my lash line, and I'm going to use that and make it very dark and blend it up. So to start your smoky eye, you want to line the eye first before you go in with like a dark or black eyeshadow. This is just going to make sure you have a good foundation and that your blend is going to be smoother. So it's basically like a two-step process with the dark color. So now I'm going in with my makeup brush and I'm going to blend out that soft coal liner, and that's going to start my smoky eye. I'm also going to go in with eyeshadow over it, but this is how I'm going to start it. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the black. And I know you guys are like, okay, we're doing a blue smoky eye. Why is she putting black? So the black is just gonna give like it makes the color pop. Anytime I use any color, I like to put black underneath because it just makes the color pop a little bit more. And it's gonna make sure that it just has a flawless foundation and gives the blue more smokiness. So I'm gonna take my black eyeshadow and I'm just gonna blend it up, and then I'm gonna go over it with the blue. Fair warning, guys, this look requires a lot of blending. If you don't like blending, don't even try a smoky eye, okay? Because this is going to look nasty. You're going to be out here looking crazy. Make sure you blend, blend, blend. You want to get rid of all the lines, any harsh lines. That's what creates the smokiness. Okay, can we get into the smokiness though? She already smoky. You can stop here. You can add different colors, however you want your smoky eye to look. After this black is totally blended out, we're gonna go in with our blue. All right, so now I'm going in with my blue. I'm gonna tap that in and blend out the edges. You can make the blue as intense as you want to. The more, if you want the pigment to be more intense and more vibrant, you pat it on. If you want to darken it or make it less intense, you swipe it off. You use swiping motions. So you kind of just play around with it till you get the intensity that you want. But I'm just loving how smoky and just I'm loving this already. So one thing about a smoky eye, you have to do the bottom too. Like you have to do a full smoky eye. You don't have to, but it just doesn't give the same if you don't do the bottom. Like you have to do the bottom too. What you do on the top, you need to do on the bottom so you have like an even effect. And it just brings more sultriness and sexiness. Like, yes, let's get into it. You see it. You see the smokiness. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a shimmery blue that has like a little sparkle in it. Just because, I always love a little sparkle. You can leave this as is, or you can make it into like a halo eye. A halo eye means you would put the light only in the middle and kind of, just blend out the edge. But I'm just kind of just giving myself a little shimmer where my highlighted areas on my eye are. You can be as creative or as intense as you want to. But yeah, this is where my blue is really coming from. The light is going to hit more on the shimmery. So I just added a little shimmer because that's just me. But yeah. If you here, I just want to say thank you so much for watching the video so far. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel so you can be down with the Love Squad. And I just want to thank everybody for the support so far. But yeah, we're not finished because this is a full beat. So we're going to keep it moving. So to even out our smoky eye like we did on top, we're just going to add some liner on our bottom lash line or a water line and just kind of smoke that out as well. You can also see that I've added a little gold in the inner corner highlight. That's just a little touch that I like on my smoky eye. That's totally optional. All right, so now we're going to just dust off the face powder because we're done with the eyes. And we're going to proceed with our beat as usual. Because this is such a detailed eye tutorial, I'm not really going to go in on the details on my face. If you want to see a tutorial for my everyday beats or natural beats, you can check out other videos on my channel, and I'll also be doing more makeup videos. So be sure to subscribe so you see them. Whenever I do a smoky eye, I always like to complement it with a light or a nude lip. That's totally optional. You can do a dark lip if you want, but for me, I just feel like if my eyes are dark, I like the attention on the eyes and, to keep the lips kind of neutral. All right, guys, here is the final look. Okay, get into it. Let me give y'all a little close up. This is a blue smoky eye. Why would you want to do a blue smoky eye instead of a black smoky eye? Duh, because blue hair. But nah, a blue smoky eye is just like a subtle, different touch. It can just bring a different vibe than a black smoky eye. And it's just cute. It's something you could wear like in the daytime too, that is not too dark. Like sometimes a black smoky eye can be a little bit too intense for daytime, depending on where you're going. Because somebody like me, I would wear a black smoky eye any day, anywhere. It just is what it is. But I just want to make sure you guys hit that like button before you go. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, all the new followers that I've been getting. I just appreciate everything, all the love. Make sure you guys go hit up my Instagram channels, my TikTok, all of that. It's all gonna be in the description below. And yeah, like let's just get into this beat. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace and love.